My Old Stuff is happy to offer this Vivitar 3000AF autofocus 35mm slide projector, complete with the original box and a carousel slide tray, instructions, and an extra bulb. As you can see, the slide projector is in proper working order. You can push the selector switch to move to the next slide. And the reverse switch to go in the opposite direction. Again, it's an excellent working order. Comes complete with the remote control. Well, actually, the remote control just comes, the actual selector switch pulls out and becomes the remote control, and then closes up like that. For detailed information regarding this slide projector, please read our listing. And again, thank you for visiting Buy Old Stuff.